For years, Samsung has established itself as an undisputed leader in the Android tablet market. This year, they're back with an even more ambitious model, the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus. With its large 12.4-inch AMOLED display, the latest generation MediaTek processor, and AI features, this tablet is designed to meet the expectations of the most demanding users, whether it's for productivity, creation, or entertainment. Samsung is dropping the base model to focus only on the Plus and Ultra versions, a choice that reflects their commitment to high-end tablets. Available starting at €999, this Galaxy Tab S10 Plus positions itself as a serious alternative to Apple's iPads while including the S Pen right in the box. A strong argument against the competition. So stick around until the end to get a detailed look at this versatile and powerful tablet. And for those who are already convinced, I'll put the link in the description. Don't forget to take a look. Every click through this link helps the channel. Samsung hasn't just focused on power this year, but also on a design that combines elegance and sturdiness. The Galaxy Tab S10 Plus is made with an aluminum frame, a material that Samsung claims is 10% more resistant to scratches and impacts compared to the previous model. At just 5.6 millimeters thick and weighing 571 grams, this tablet is still super portable despite its large 12.4-inch screen. The edges are rounded for optimal comfort in hand, and the screen takes up nearly 85% of the front surface, providing an immersive visual experience. On the back, there's a dual camera module discreetly integrated, while the S Pen that comes with the tablet attaches magnetically so it's always within reach and charges wirelessly. The S10 Plus is IP68, dust and water resistant to 1M, compatible with book cover keyboard for laptop use. A first in the high-end tablet market. On the connectivity side, Samsung offers compatibility with the book cover keyboard, which turns this tablet into a real laptop. This keyboard even includes a dedicated key for the Galaxy AI features, although, on a slightly negative note, it doesn't have a touchpad. The technical specs of this Galaxy Tab S10 Plus are impressive. Samsung has decided to change its strategy by ditching Qualcomm's Snapdragon chips to adopt MediaTek's Dimensity 9300 Plus. This octa-core processor is paired with 12 GB of RAM, ensuring top-notch performance even during intensive tasks like video editing or resource-heavy gaming. This chip is built on a 4nm process, which optimizes energy efficiency and limits overheating even during long sessions. The dynamic AMOLED 2X display, on the other hand, offers a resolution of 2800 by 1750 pixels with a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz for optimal smoothness. And even though this display doesn't have LTPO technology, it smartly adjusts its refresh rate based on the content to preserve battery life. The colors are true to life with a low delta E of 1.6 in natural mode, and the maximum brightness of 650 nits ensures comfortable readability even outdoors. The Galaxy Tab S10 Plus also offers expandable storage with a micro SD slot that can go up to 1.5 terabytes. When it comes to audio, the 4 Dolby Atmos speakers deliver rich and immersive sound, perfect for watching movies or listening to music. Samsung has also included full connectivity with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, and for those who love to be on the go, a 5G version is also available. The Galaxy Tab S10 Plus stands out for its focus on productivity. Samsung has integrated DeX mode, which transforms the interface into a real PC experience with resizable windows, a task menu, and intuitive multitasking management. This mode is especially useful for those who use office applications and want a computer-like experience but with the portability of a tablet. Including the S Pen in the box is a real plus for taking notes, drawing, or editing images. Responsive and precise, the S Pen allows for pressure sensitivity, so you can create finer or thicker lines depending on what you need. The Galaxy AI tools, on the other hand, make creative work and organization easier with features like Sketch to Image, which turns sketches into detailed images, and Circle to search for quick content searches. Samsung has also included an advanced photo editor, accessible with just a click of the stylus, allowing you to crop, retouch, and even create animated avatars. On the multimedia side, the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus handles even the most demanding games effortlessly, providing a smooth experience at 120 frames per second in the most challenging titles. And thanks to the Dolby Atmos speakers, the sound effects take on a whole new dimension, especially in action movies or music videos. In short, whether it's for work, creativity, or entertainment, this tablet offers great versatility. In the high-end tablet market, the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus is in direct competition with devices like Apple's iPad Pro and the Huawei MatePad Pro. Where the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus really stands out is with its built-in Galaxy AI features that provide powerful tools to boost productivity, task management, and even entertainment. Unlike the iPad Pro, Samsung includes the S Pen right in the box, while Apple offers the Apple Pencil as a paid option. The AMOLED display on the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus offers more pronounced contrasts than LCDs, and while it's slightly behind the OLED setup of the iPad Pro in terms of maximum brightness, it still provides excellent visual comfort with good anti-glare treatment. In terms of photography, however, the iPad Pro outperforms the Tab S10 Plus, especially with its ability to record in 4K ProRes. That said, for a tablet, the photo quality of the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus is still decent, with true-to-life colors and good detail management in low light. The Huawei MatePad Pro also positions itself as an alternative with a more accessible price, but it remains less efficient in terms of productivity and software options. With its Galaxy Eye tools, Samsung really adds value for those looking for a tablet for work and content creation. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus is a powerful Android tablet with smart tools. It is sleek and powerful. It stands out as a serious choice for those looking for a high-quality Android alternative to iPads, while also including smart tools to enhance the user experience. Its sleek design, powerful performance thanks to the Dimensity processor, and the many Galaxy AI features make it a perfect hybrid tool for both productivity and entertainment. If this tablet piques your interest, I encourage you to check out the link in the description for more details. Feel free to let me know in the comments what you think about the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and whether you prefer Android or iOS for tablets. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos, and share with those who are still on the fence. Thanks for watching this presentation, and see you soon. Bye-bye.